Namaste.
Namaste ji.
Welcome to this discussion about Mahatma Gandhi. As we know, today is 2nd October and it's birth anniversary of one of the great leader of India, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi. And India celebrates it like anything. So I would like to ask you, as a Kazakh people, what do you know about Mahatma Gandhi and what does Kazakh people think about Mahatma Gandhi?
Acha. Yes, of course, here in Kazakhstan we know about Mahatma Gandhi. We know Mahatma Gandhi from our history classes. So in our school program we have little part in Indian history. We have paragraph about Mahatma Gandhi, about history of India, the time when British Empire was there. So Kazakh people know about Mahatma Gandhi, and personally I know that Mahatma Gandhi was the father of nation, of Indian nation. So he was one of the best leader in the world, and he's my favorite quote of Mahatma Gandhi in Hindi, "Ah ke liye ah, hi puri duniya andha bana degi."
Yes, that is आँख के बदले आँख पूरी दुनिया को अंधा बना देगी. That is the meaning of this quote from Mahatma Gandhi is like, if everybody will fight against each one, then it will destroy the world.
Sure.
Means if you will be like ready always to take the strength from anyone, then it will be like fighting and then world will be like fighting only.
Yes, here we have same in Russian. We say that "Око за око, глаз за глаз." We have this phrase in Russian, but Mahatma Gandhi said that "Agar око за око, глаз за глаз, и весь мир будет слепым" means you will destroy all the world. So
no, actually he wanted to tell that don't do this.
Yes.
So don't favor of this kind of
forgive
things. Yeah, forgive everyone. Yeah, that was the main.
Forgiveness is the
Focus
best
of
attribute of strong people. So
Yes,
that's why.
of course.
Also, actually, I want to ask you about early life of Mahatma Gandhi ji, about his real name, that Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, and from which part of India he was.
Okay. Actually, I would like to tell you. As Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar. It is one of the places in Gujarat, Porbandar, and his father name was Karamchand Gandhi.
Achha.
So his full name, Mahatma Gandhi's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. It was included his father name also. And his mother name was Pudli Bai, and he was from Gujarat. He was a great leader of India, of course, what you mentioned before. So, and about early life, he studied high school in Alfred High School, and after that he went to the art college, and after that he went to London for barristry, and he became a barrister. After some time he completed the barristry course, law course, and that's why he was a great lawyer of India. And in India, for India he is the father of nation. He called Rashtrapita Mahatma Gandhi. Rashtrapita Mahatma Gandhi. He also called Bapu in India. Bapu.
Как вы считаете, каков был самый главный посыл Махатма Ганди для нашего мира? महात्मा गांधी जी का दुनिया के लिए Mukh Sandesh Kya Tha?
Oh, very good to hear Hindi from you.
Dhanyawad.
It's Mukhya Sandesh, main message to the world from Mahatma Gandhi. It was, I think, it was non-violence, because Gandhiji was the follower of non-violence and truth, and he also given the message to the world that follow this, because as you already mentioned, आँख के बदले आँख पूरी दुनिया को अंधा बना देगी, means don't be a strange, don't be like follower of a strange, taken a strange. So he told always follow non-violence. So non-violence and truth was the main message to the world from Mahatma Gandhi. He requested, he told to the people that follow non-violence. Everything can be win with the love and truth and non-violence.
Sure, yes. We know about ahimsa. So can you please explain in short what does it mean?
Ahimsa, as this word, hinsa means violence, a means no. So when you will add a means no. So no violence.
Acha.
That is ahimsa. Hinsa means violence and ahimsa means non-violence. So non-violence means don't fight, don't beat, don't hit, and don't fight.
Okay.
So only be with love, be with truth, and be with patience.
Sure.
That is ahimsa.
Nice. From history, we know about Mahatma Gandhi's movements. So, can you please
Yeah,
say something?
if we can, if we will talk about the movement in his life, in Gandhi's life, we can say, I can say that his whole life was spent in the movement,
Yes, one big.
because he was always worried about the good position of the one, and one by one he has taken the step by step, he has taken the decision to do the rectification of the one, rectification of the bad things. That's why his full life was spent in the movement. But some of the moments, special main moments like Savinay Avagya Andolan, in which the Namak Satyagraha was there, Namak Satyagraha. If you were aware that Britishers made the rules about the salt.
Yes.
Salt. Nobody
High
will make the
taxes.
salt, and it was be taxed
Yes.
on the people when it will be used. Then, so these rules, Gandhiji has broken. He started from Sabarmati Ashram, and he went to the shore of sea, and he broken that rule. It was called Namak Satyagraha. And after that, the Khilafat Andolan, and then it was Asahyog Andolan and Bharat Chodo Andolan. So many, like the list will goes on.
Sure.
If we will talk about the movement of Gandhiji, so he only done the good work towards the world, and especially for India and towards all world. So this was the main movement from Gandhiji.
Okay, for whole world, Mahatma Gandhi is best leader. But as Indian, what do you think, what do you feel about Mahatma Gandhi?
As an Indian,
Yes.
we call him Bapu.
Father.
And Bapu, it means father.
Yes.
And father is that post where we think that he is everything, he is the main person of our family. Like if whole nation is called Bapu, is calling Bapu to him, then whole nation thinks that he was the father of our nation. So we love Bapuji like anything. Our Rashtrapita, Mahatma Gandhi, we love Mahatma Gandhi because he was the follower of non-violence. He was the, you can say that whole world is following his non-violence
Yes.
and truth.
Even now.
So yeah, even now also. So we love our Rashtrapita Mahatma Gandhi.
Great.
So at last, we would like to request to all that आओ अहिंसा का अनुसरण करें. धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद.